How to print an object in Python. To print an object, first we need an object. Let's make a point class that has an x and y coordinate. So, class point colon. The constructor will take in an x and y and initialize them. Now for the printing part, we need to define a dunder_str method. This method should return a string representation of your object. So, return fstring x colon curly brace self.x comma space y colon curly braces self.y. Now, if we make a point P1 that has the x and y coordinates of 2 and 3, then print it, and run the code, you'll see the printout we set up with the str method. X colon 2, comma, space, y comma 3. This has been Cubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.